Welcome to the process of what is called as Kiri, a very special Kerala Ayurveda special therapy that is kind of contribution of Kerala to the world of Ayurveda in India. And this is very different, varied varieties or itineraries we have in Kiri, which is nothing as you can see, it's like a poultice, it's like a bolus. And the purpose of this is very simple, because the three videos that you will have, one would show this one, why it is done. Second would be in which all conditions it is done. Third would be different varieties of it, be it with the rice, be it with the leaf, whichever. But from outside everything would of course look the same, but of course we will differentiate it for you. So this first video has this Kiri, which is actually a poultice of herbs which are all made into a bolus. This is typically done when the oil massage is completed or when the herbal water bath is completed, because the herbal water bath would wash off the toxins, agreed. The oil massage may go a bit more deeper, agreed. But the Kiri is like pounding, it's like stamping, and this pounding of course has greater reach into the body tissue, which means it has greater penetrating depth. Apart from that, it does cause what is called Svedana, which liquefies toxins, and these toxins are brought to the central gastrointestinal tract from the systemic circulation, and that is flushed out through the body's cleansing mechanism of invariably the enema process. It can be the purgation process, whichever suits for the individual's requirement. So this is why Kiri has greater depth and greater reach and greater pounding into deeper tissues of the body. As we know, the skin has 7 layers, and the herbal water bath would wash off as many in the superficial layers, and Kiri expects to be going more deeper inside. This is one side, medically speaking. The other side is also a comfort factor. It is very comforting because it's like teasing the muscles or the ligaments or the tendons. So there is definitely more comfort with this process. Exceptionally, we have some of our clients who have disagreeability to it, and we totally respect it, and we go back to the oil massage. So please make sure that you give us the feedback that you are comfortable or not with this process, and accordingly we will modify if the need be so. This was about why Kiri is done, and where it is done. We close the video for now.